Hi guys, I hope you can hear me okay. I've taken off my helmet because it is snowing and I don't know if the microphone's really very good on this. So you can see by how much snow is coming down how changeable the weather is. So that's why it's really important to be really conditioned for skiing or any action sports, because the piste can change from literally hour to hour. So we're going to probably get another couple of inches of snow today. So while I'm here, I'm just going to touch about what I do for my training, personal training and strength training. So I mainly train for like strength training for fat loss, but I do other strength training as well. So strength training, getting strong is a priority. So it's all very well, it's brilliant doing plyometrics and doing classes and stuff and Zumba and stuff like that. It's brilliant, and doing high stakes, high paced HIIT classes. But you really need to get into that weight room and build your muscles up that way, because if you didn't, my legs are okay now, but if it's someone who's never skied before and they just did HIIT classes, yeah, they'll be okay for the first day, but it will kick in after the fourth day. So strength training for fat loss is a good thing to do. So if you want to do strength training for fat loss and you want to lose a few pounds, just message me or give me a like on thumbs up on YouTube, or give me an email and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. So I'll see you on another video coming real soon, hopefully when it's not too much snow, but maybe so. I quite like the snow, I quite like it out here. See you later.